if you remember from the last time, I guess, you saw me, which was a little bit ago, the last thing that I said that I was working on was the web application to help with studying. And this is sort of a welcome back and showing kind of the progress that I've made towards that. For now, what I've been working on has been basically just the front end. So what that means is that basically I've just been focused a lot on learning React and trying to make the front end look as good as I can. I also went through and actually wrote all of the React, and so along with making the basic functionality all there, I also included a little bit of small animations to make things seem a little bit prettier. And a lot of the stuff that I want to work on moving forward is making those animations better, adding more animations, and then also finalizing the coloring that we want for this. So maybe not exactly, I guess, the colors specifically, but more so the shading and what colors will go where. The next step, though, that we're really going to take a look at today is that we finally have gotten the back end up. So what this means is that now I need to start working on getting the React to integrate with the back end and handling HTTP requests so that we can display user data and information that we have. So that's basically the goal for today. This is how the website is looking. When we come here, we can pick a file and upload it. Preferably this will only be PDFs, but we'll look at that later. Here's the chat for now. It doesn't actually do anything, but that's mainly because this is going to take a lot of back-end work. So I want to save this for a time where either I can work on it closely with the back-end guy or when he can just do it. And here's the thing that I guess was just working on today that I thought would take me a lot longer than it did, but luckily GET requests are always really easy. Essentially, this is the JSON placeholder website. Basically, you can just use this for like a template to do JSON GET and POST requests. This is just a bunch of data. I think there's 100 entries in here, something like 100 entries, but there's a lot of entries in here. The nice thing is, though, I can use that for my GET request and fill it up with these entries. So if we come to entry 100 and come all the way down here and see ID's 100, this is the ID, we flip it, and then there's the title. This is the flashcard page. And this is how this looks. It's pretty basic. We have the first option where you can click on it and see the answer. And then this is the second option where you see both of them at the same time. And once again, you'll see that these are correct. But yeah, again, this is all just really simple right now because the main goal is to just have it down and then start working from the very foundation, so then we can start having a few, our first like handful of users, or first like 5 or 6 users that are people that we know they can just use it for summer classes and stuff like that. That's for the most part all that I had to work on today.